What's popping up, guys? It's your boy Gamer Savage, and I'm back with another banger video, guys. Today we are playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2, and so it's really damn special for you guys. And I'm actually gonna restart my game, but not only that, guys. It's 3 a.m. I'm playing the game at 3 a.m. As you can see, it's 2 minutes past 3 at the morning. In the morning, guys. So things are gonna be crazy, guys. I hope I don't hear freaking like strange noises and stuff like that. But yeah, so I am gonna keep this volume a bit soft. Like, I want y'all to hear my voice, because my videos just kind of, yeah. So we're gonna restart. So everyone should know this game, right? It's Five Nights at Freddy's. Do get me on the comment section, but let me know in the comments if you want me to play any other game of yours. So let's just get right into this video. Let me get at least 50k likes for this video, or probably 50 likes. We're gonna mute the call because we really want to see what is going on here. Okay, it is 12 in the morning over here, but on us it's 3 minutes past 3. Yep, guys, you hear it right, 3 minutes past 3. So we just gotta keep on checking flashlights. Just got a bear pick the bear thing. Don't mind the noise, guys. It's something that's recording in the freaking room. Can't seem to turn it off. It's freaking weird. Because right now it's freaking 3 a.m. The freaking TV doesn't seem to be getting off, guys. So I'm really freaked out about that. Okay. Okay, do like and subscribe to my channel while waiting for these animatronics to break out. Oh my god, guys, the freaking TV. Okay, what? I don't get this. This is like very strange. Okay, Bonnie's like always the first one to break out, because I have a song, Red Glowing Eyes. I'm just it's called Red Glowing Eyes, the song and stuff like that. But the song is like just called the Bonnie song. Yeah, so he breaks out first. Okay. Okay, something's weird here. Okay, that was weird. We gotta save our torch, because we all know that torches run out very quick. Or should I say our flashlight, but it's the same thing. Okay, guys, we currently 1 a.m. in the freaking morning at this night shift. And over here it's 5 minutes past 3. This is crazy. Oh, we just hit 2 a.m. Oh my freaking god. What is gonna happen? What crazy stuff is gonna happen? Who is freaking gonna break out? So they break out from cam 9. And I just wanna draw something here. So basically they come over here and they come to me. So that's what really happens. So yeah, I want to show you that, but it's kind of strange. Okay, it doesn't seem like to be of. Okay. Oh my god, what the heck is going on here? Oh my god. Puppet. Don't be naughty, puppet. Be a good puppet. Puppet, get back. Listen, puppet, I hope you get back. Okay, he's angry. Bonnie escaped. Bonnie, you're making things worse for me. Gotta take care of Bonnie plus the freaking puppet. I'll bust your freaking eyeballs with this light. Come on, puppet. Listen. Please, you don't look that cute, but I beg you, go. Oh, okay. Please tell me it's Freddy that's with Chica. Oh, freaking God. Oh my God, guys, puppet is not listening. You don't go in the vent, dude. Okay, they are in the vent. Okay, I can hear them. Okay. Please, puppet, you're just getting things worse for me. Oh my freaking God, guys. I don't know how to freaking dodge Chica. That's the freaking problem, guys. I'll get back to you when I finally get back to the night. Okay, guys, what's popping again? And like, now we're doing a 7th night. So this is gonna be hell. Okay, we are ready. Oh my God. Oh my God, Chica. And Foxy killed. Okay. This is too hard. This is too freaking hard. I can't believe this. I literally can't believe this. It's 11 minutes or going 12 minutes into 3 a.m. and I still can't beat Five Nights at Freddy's. You know, it's gonna be hell. But guys, I'll get back to you when I'm gonna be playing a new game. Hey guys, we are back. So today this is the second game around like 12 minutes past 3. And we are we are playing Dream League. So what's the worst could have actually go on? Let's up the commentary, bro. So I guess this is how we're gonna go. Because you know, okay, Christian Benteke scored. My God, guys, it's freaking 3-12 in the one. Oh, okay. What's the worst could happen in Dream League, guys? Oh my God, okay, you're going there. I can see you. This game is... Okay, Kane is on his way.
And this is Kane.
What a save,
by the keeper. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball.
Okay, that was a useless ball.
What a
And what's the worst that can
well-timed
happen,
tackle.
guys? Playing
Half-time,
Dream
a
at 3
chance for the
a.m.
managers to have their
Nothing
say.
can happen. Or is something gonna
1-0
happen?
then at half-time, a slim lead. It's all to play for in the second half, though. Now it's Delafeu.
What the? Oh my god, I freaking just heard something hit the roof. Oh my god. What the heck, guys? Just gonna put the freaking audio soft. That was freaking crazy, guys. Like hell yeah. What the frick, guys? Guys, I'm freaking tripping out right now. I think it's... My god. Juventus are freaking winning 5-1 against Villarreal. But guys, what the hell is that? What the heck is that sound? I guess playing Five Nights at Freddy's was a bad idea at 3 a.m. Because I'm freaking tripped right now. And guys, we're only freaking 11 minutes into the video and it's 3:14. And the freaking TV is on. Oh my god, guys, I'm freaking tripping out right now. Okay, let's just continue.
And that's a
Nothing
throw-in.
can happen. Oh my god, guys, I'm freaking tripping right now.
Not a good decision there. This could cost his team.
Okay, that is a good
Oh, he's
pass.
onside here.
Oh,
And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Cancelo. Oh, a chance now to turn
okay,
defence
that is
into
a
attack.
good one. Oh my god, guys, you can
And
score.
he's one-on-one with the keeper.
Yes! Dream, nothing can happen at 3 a.m., guys. With the likes of Harry Kane from Tottenham
There's the build
Hotspur
up to that
to
great
Bayern
goal.
Munich.
The players
Okay,
have finished celebrating
this
and
is
we're
nothing
back
looks like
underway.
anything's gonna happen besides a freaking
He showed a bit
knock
too
on
much to the
freaking
opposition there.
roof, guys. Like, what the heck?
And he's
That
looking,
literally
but the
took me out.
assistant's flag is down.
Oh my god, guys. That was a crap cross. But guys, I'm freaking tripped, guys. Like, what the hell?
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
Like, what the
Here's
frick will
Rami.
that sound be? Like, what the heck?
Ocampos. Oh,
Freaking
well
at
timed.
3 a.m.,
Played
guys.
back
It's
to the
15 minutes
goalkeeper.
past 3. Oh,
Keeper sends
okay,
it
we
long.
just messed up with the keeper there. And we just messed up with the header. Oh my god, guys, what the heck? Let me know in the comments what is so bad
Showed
about
a bit too
playing
much to the
Five Nights
opposition
at
there.
Freddy's at 3 a.m. or
Sends
even
it
Dream
forward.
League at 3 a.m. Like, what's the worst could happen? Like, my freaking roof just got a
The
freaking
assistant's
knock on
kept
the
his flag down.
head.
He's onside. And this is
Oh,
Kane.
what a goal by
That's
Harry
a
Kane. And
right
then
hand. That's
something
the
around in
goalkeeper.
my back or under my
take
bear
another
was
look at
freaking
that.
banging. Like, guys, what the hell? Guys, my heart is freaking pounding. I'm freaking tripping out, guys. No lies.
The referee
I'm
gets
not
the
lying,
game
guys.
going
It's
again.
freaking 3:16 in the morning. Do like and subscribe for
Surely all
more
they can
3
do now
a.m.
is grab a
videos.
consolation goal. There's not
I
much
don't know if
time
this is a
left. And it
challenge,
seems
but let me know if you want me to play more videos at 3 a.m. Like more games. Because let me know in the comments what games you want me to play at 3 a.m.
into the danger area. Oh, here's Benteke. Defender regains possession.
Oh
Now they'll
my
try and break.
god, guys, I feel like crying. Oh my god, okay, that was a good one.
Challenge
Oh,
there. It's a
damn
throw-in.
it. Okay, let's bring on. Oh my god, guys,
Both
what
City
the heck?
managers making a change
I
here.
just can't believe, I'm still shocked, guys. Now I'm really
Well
tripping out.
intercepted. Lovely passing here. Nice work there. He loves to run with the ball.
Ronaldo.
That one has gone out of
Guys, this is the only game I'm gonna play at 3 a.m. This is gonna be a round of 3 games at 3 a.m. This is the second game, right? Because Five Nights at Freddy's was the first. So Dream League, I know, guys. Let me know if you want me to play at 3 a.m. or maybe like normal, like a full whole season or a nice long video of it. Let me know. But the the game of this one will end right there, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll get back to you when we're playing our third and final round of 3 a.m. 3 games. I'll see y'all in the next minute. What's popping, guys? Again, today we are playing Robbery Bob. And guys, I know I made an error in my starting of this video, and I said back with another banger video, guys. Sorry, because it's my freaking first video. And this video is really good because we are freaking playing at 3 a.m. Don't forget, guys, this is haunted, and we're on Seagull Bay, so we just unlocked a new level. And yeah, guys, this is really intense. So I don't know what this one is gonna have in store for us, but let's head into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that. Is that? Oh my god, that is something flying. Oh my god, did you see that? Did you freaking see that? Oh my god, where did it go? Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, oh, there's a there. There's a there, guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's head straight into it. We can hit 50 likes for this video, guys. I'm freaking playing at 3 a.m. It's 20 past 3. So this is scary. Okay, let's listen to the intro. Intro. So I guess we have aliens, I'm supposing, or we have those weird aliens flying, but okay, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video there. I'll be back in a few minutes. Sorry, guys, I was actually gone for long. It actually went to 3:30. So guys, we're actually gonna go to, oh, we just might have missed it. Oh my god. Okay, let's go sneak in. Okay, we are back. That wasn't cool.
What the?
Run. Yeah, go check it out. Okay, we nearly screwed things up there. Okay, we just sneak behind him. Dang. You're gonna have to beat him, and we're also gonna beat him. Let's go, Mr. Alien Man. Okay, that's what it is. It's good that you have came when. Wait, what? It's good that you came when you did. Lately, I've been eavesdropping on the local favorite population, and they are already packing their Chinese again. The alien is
Cookie Wowsy.
auto hurry up. Yep, we have to auto hurry up. We need news. So.
What the?
Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait, it's in there. Oh, okay. Okay, we have freaking lady. We go normally, we pass normally. I'm a little lady. She just stole the vacuum cleaner. Okay, it's good that we fled from there. Okay, that was a bit easy. I don't know why I don't feel like even speaking now. But anyways, it's freaking 3:34. Guys, this is freaking weird. What is the worst that could happen in 3 a.m. for robbery pop? What's the worst? We just heard my roof bang. And then... Oh my god, guys. But then we just freaking... You know what's scary about this? The roof just freaking banged and then my freaking bed made some sound. Oh my god. Okay, you go, cop. Okay, where is the key? Oh shit. Oh, got me scared. So we're gonna retry that level. Okay, we are doing good. We are freaking doing good. Oh, we got a car. The heck? Wait, oh my. Oh my god, Okay, there we go. That was a freaking easy level, but we gotta earn some stars. Okay, Seagull Bay 4. What is in store for us in this one? Oh my god, guys. This is freaking weird. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. Oh, he just got... Okay, that is really not... Oh, there's a secret here. Okay, there ain't no secret. Let's go. Wait, did I just activate some... Found a piece of tools I'll have... Oh, that will always land by the side down. Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god. Okay, we actually passed that part. That all done. Oh my god, please go away. Please. That is easy. Oh wait, they have a secret mission. Let's get it. I wonder if secret missions can actually have something in real life.
Shh, skiddly noogin, flim flam, flackamarima.
Okay, we have to leave this door open. Okay, we have to kick balls. Don't get me wrong, I know it sounds wrong, but we have to kick ball. We have to kick the ball. Oh, he had something. Oh, that's what he's doing. How come I haven't heard it? Okay, we have to do this nonsense. Okay, we've done that. Oh, you serious right now? Soccer ball should be. Invincible. This is really an invincible mode. There we go. Wow, goal. That was too easy for me. Okay, this will be the last one we playing, guys, on this playthrough. Let me know if you want me to make a part 2 at 3 a.m. So, there's nothing really I can say about this round. Except for the security guard is running around like a headless chicken. Okay, you taking long, mama. What the frick is that? There's a arm behind him. What the heck is that? What is he doing? What the? What is he doing? What is he freaking doing? And what are these things? Oh my god, what are these things that are following me? I'm pissed. Okay, I can't run. Get busted by an alien. That is an alien, guys. Let me know in the comments if that is a freaking alien. Holy shit, that is a freaking alien? Oh my god, what does he know? Does he know this much? Or can he take away the security guard? Yeah, we got our treasure. Can you please take away the security guard? Oh my god, our game just lagged over there. Let's get out of here, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you'll enjoy this not live playthrough, but playthrough of Robbery Bob. But the best one was Five Nights at Freddy's, and then obviously we got Dream League, which I only play one match, guys. Let me know if you want me to play a part 2. But yeah, and then we played Robbery Bob. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, guys. Do like and subscribe, and then I will see you in the next one. Give me at least 50 likes for this video, guys. And don't let me know, it's my first video, guys, so please show me some support on my first one, and basically all my video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive every single thing. You can get this game on Play Store, but however you want to get it, you can get a hack. Go into Google or Chrome and download Happy Mall. It's the best thing to ever get. So guys, I will see you in the next one. I'm Gamer Savage. I will see you in the next one. Peace.